kitchen benchtop is a critical component to any kitchen renovation. Your benchtop will be the most used surface in your kitchen, so it needs to be practical but also tie together with the look and feel of your kitchen design. So with a range of kitchen benchtop options now available, which is the best material to choose from? Timber benchtops look great and add a tactile element to your kitchen. Look for a timber that is coated to protect from stains, moisture and heat. Solid surface is a benchtop surface type that is gaining in popularity. Consisting of a blend of natural minerals and acrylic, solid surface benchtops are non-porous and offer a durable finish. Laminate is a great option for budget-conscious renovators. Brands such as Laminate Australia have invested heavily in improving the look and feel of their laminate solutions. There is now a range of budget-friendly kitchen benchtops in great on-trend designs. Laminate is available in both gloss and matte finishes, is moisture protected and chemical resistant, making it durable and low maintenance. By far one of our most popular benchtop types is engineered stone such as Caesarstone. Caesarstone is made from 93% quartz, organic pigments and polymer resins. The result is a benchtop surface that is non-porous, scratch resistant and extremely versatile. Caesarstone offers a great range of designs and textures and can be used for a range of applications, including your benchtop, splashback and in other areas of the home such as your bathroom. Knowing which kitchen benchtop is right for you will depend on how you use your kitchen and what you would like to invest. If in doubt, seek the advice of a professional kitchen designer to discuss your specific needs.